Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa today is going to make a chicken stew with ginger. With slight adjustment, you can make this into a sesame oil chicken as well. So it's really up to you, right? Let's get started. I'll have approximately, this is 2 pieces of chicken chunks, 2 pieces of chicken thigh cut into big chunks. And I have some ginger, cut into slices. I have some sesame oil, and this is my Cooking Appa 100% chicken stock powder. Those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any Enviet restaurant in Malaysia. And you will need some hot water. Let's get started. So I got a wok here, and I'm going to give it a little bit of sesame oil, and I'm going to mix with some vegetable oil, not just sesame oil itself. Because just sesame oil itself, it can actually become bitter after cooked. You know, sometimes you hear people talking about they are using aromatic oil, 香油. That is actually a combination between some sesame oil plus some vegetable oil. So this is actually, we are actually creating a 香油 here, aromatic oil here. Lesser sesame oil, a little bit more, maybe like 30% sesame oil and 70% vegetable oil. So once this is heated up, we can actually put in few slices of ginger. And you want to saute the ginger until it started to curl up a little bit, to really bring out the nice fragrance from the ginger itself. I come back shortly. Less than 1 minute, you started to smell the aroma coming from the ginger itself. And also you can see the ginger started to curl up. This is the time where you can put in the chicken. Now you can actually choose to marinate the chicken with a little bit of light soy sauce if you like. To me, it is optional. Give it a few stir. Then we are going to tune down the fire because now we are going to give it some seasoning. First of all, some Shaoxing wine. For those who don't take alcohol, of course, you can omit this part. They will give you some light soy sauce, some dark soy sauce, some salt, some sugar, some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Now we are going to raise the heat. You would think this is going to be very salty, but don't worry, we haven't added water yet. So once this becomes boiling, we can actually add in some hot water. Baby, 不要动它，它会摇。爸爸煮鸡肉给你吃。So let's bring this to a boil. So once it is boiling, we can actually close the lid, tune down to medium or medium low, and let it cook for somewhere between 15 to 20 minutes. And then it is almost done. We are going to let it reduce by itself. So this is a very common cooking techniques for Chinese, reduce, where the broth is going to thicken out by itself. So this is like after approximately 18-20 minutes, 18 or 20 minutes. You can see the sauce has actually reduced by itself. You can starch it if you like. I'm not going to starch it today. Do I want to starch it? Okay, probably I'll starch it a little bit. Right, we're going to off the fire first. Put in the starch solution. Give it a few push. And done. You can give it a bit of white pepper. Right? If you prefer more sesame oil flavor, then what you can do is right before serving, put the 1, 2, 3 drops of sesame oil. Then you get more sesame oil flavor, So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page or click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.